Hey guys, I'm right here and welcome back to Taste with M. In today's brand new video, I have some special KitKat from Japan that I will tell you how it tastes like. So, if you are curious, then keep on watching. So this is all that I can get at the market at the meantime, guys. I know that there are so many more, but I guess I'll just make them into the part 2 if I got any. So this one is the mini yogurt. This one is Shinsu apple ringo. This one is the ruby chocolate. This one is strawberry. This one I believe is parfait, I guess. This one is momji manju flavor. This one is sake, it's obvious. And this one, I don't know what is the flavor. It says Nash Cranberry. Oh, it's cranberry. But I guess this one is also the same as this one. It also says cranberry, which we will figure out the difference later. So for the first one, I'll try the mini yogurt. It is original from Japan. I asked my friend to buy it for me, and these are all that they can get. So, ta-da! Let's try, guys. So, it's white inside. I believe it's white chocolate. For me, it tastes like a regular white chocolate KitKat with a hint of mint and bubblegum. Yeah, it has the taste of bubblegum. It's not that bad. The second one is the Shinsu apple. It is sealed perfectly. Also have the same amount as the mini yogurt. Well, let's try, guys. So this one is chocolate. I don't know if it is milk chocolate or dark chocolate. Guys, this one smells so apple. It's so aromatic, guys. For me, this tastes like an original KitKat, but with an apple scent. And the third one is momiji manju flavor. I don't know what flavor is this. I'll put the translation in right here. So let's unseal. And it also come out with the same. Let's try. Oh, this one also came out as a white chocolate. And the differences is, guys, look at that. It is so cool, guys. And it kind of connected in this with the momiji stamp. Oh, so can you guys see the middle part also has the momiji's jam in it? I thought that it will be empty. It smells like red bean. Yeah, I guess this one is red bean cookies. I'm too lazy to read all of this. By the way, this one is Hiroshima souvenir, which is so cool. And the fourth one is Japanese sake. I'm so curious how this tastes like, guys. So it has plastic inside. I don't know if it contains alcohol or not, but I guess it's not, because children under their legal age might be eating this. So this one has 9 of them. Let's try. So it is also white chocolate. Let's smell. Oh my god, guys. The aroma is so elegant. The fragrance is just so on point. Oh my god, I love the smell of this sake. Let's try, guys. I can feel that the flavor of the sake is that kind of kick in just now, guys. It is so delicious. Like, the taste is so unique. You guys should try. You guys should definitely try this one, guys. Now let's try the plastic one. The first one. Let's try the strawberry. So it says that it contains of 6.1% of strawberry juice, and this one also has salt in it. It's something like this. Let's try. Well, look at this, guys. I guess it almost melted from traveling all the way from Japan, and it has a pink color. Well, I believe this one is made from white chocolate. The smell is so strong. Oh my god, I love this one. It kind of tastes like you are eating the whole strawberry. It tastes like a mint strawberry bubble gum. Do you know what I mean? If that taste even exists in this world? Yeah. Mint, strawberry, and bubble gum. And the next one is this unknown flavor. If I read this, it says that it is Ichigo Tiramisu. What is Ichigo, guys? Let's try. So it says that this one has 11 inside, which is the previous one is 12. I don't know why this one is 11. It's weird. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. I guess this one has been knocked out from the flight all the way to Indonesia. I think it is a coffee powder. That is what tiramisu are made of. It's definitely tiramisu. The coffee flavor is so strong, guys. The next one is these two. Well, I guess the differences between these two is that this one is strawberry based and this one is the chocolate base. Now let's open it up. Well guys, I'm trying to find how many are they inside. No information. Let's count. Okay, so this in a single like this. Let's count how many. Let's count how many are they. So it's 12. So there are 12 of this, which means it only have 6. It also has the almond and cranberry pearl on top of this. It's pink. Let's try. So I know the difference now, guys. This one is made from the ruby chocolate. As you guys know, ruby chocolate is kind of popular nowadays, and they call it pink chocolate. This one tastes so unique, guys. So the flavor of the cranberry and the almond mixed together just make another whole new experience. I don't know what to say because this is new. If it says that it has the ruby chocolate, I don't know what to say, guys, because I never tried one before. So yeah, this is whole new flavor for me. Now let's try. I guess this one is made from the regular chocolate. By the way, guys, this one has 15 inside. I don't know why they differentiate the amount in each and every packaging, guys. Like, why you make your life so hard? And it also comes as a single like this. It's that cranberry and almond pearl, and I don't know what is that black thing, guys. This one is chocolate. Let's try. Well, this one is made from dark chocolate, guys, with a little bit of bitterness which cover the flavor of the cranberry and the almonds. I don't know if that is a good thing or not, but yeah, I kind of like it so far because this is the only one that made from dark chocolate, while the other one is from milk chocolate or white chocolate. Or maybe this one is from ruby chocolate. And the last one is this banana KitKat. My friend gave it to me a long time ago. But yeah, let's try. This one tastes like chocolate Tokyo banana, guys. Is that the right name? I'll put the picture right over here. It tastes exactly like that if you guys ever eat Tokyo banana. So now I will rank all of them from my least favorite one to my most favorite one. But keep in mind that my least favorite one doesn't mean that it doesn't taste good, guys. It is just they kind of loose from the bottle. So yeah, let's rank them up. So guys, from my list to my most favorite ones, I'm so sorry to say, but this one is ranked number 8 because this one doesn't taste unique at all. It's just a regular bubblegum with a hint of mint. And the rank number 7 is this one, guys. At first I thought that this one would taste very unique, guys, but it turned out that it's kind of failed me even it is made from ruby chocolate. And for the 6th rank is this apple KitKat. This one tastes like a regular chocolate with a hint of apple scent. And that's all, guys. That's why it's on the 6th rank. And for the number 5 is this strawberry KitKat. This one tastes so good, but unfortunately it cannot beat the other one. So that's why this one ranked number 5. The 4th one is this tiramisu. I kind of love the coffee flavor, but this one is not the specialty that coming from Japan. Like it tastes like a regular tiramisu that we can taste everywhere. And the 3rd one is the sake tiramisu. This one tastes so unique, like it symbolizes the sake from Japan. The runner-up and the winner is this is the runner-up and this is the winner. I love this one so much because it kind of symbolize the Japanese flavor, and I never taste anything like this before, which is why this is the winner. This tastes so unique, so every time when you go to Japan you should actually buy this one and try it yourself. And this one is the runner-up because doesn't like any other of them. This dark chocolate tastes so good and it kind of steals my heart. And the favorite one goes to this Tokyo banana. It tastes exactly like the Tokyo banana. I've never been a fan of the Tokyo banana. I don't know why. If I'm about to put a rank on this one, I guess this rank number 4 after tiramisu because yeah, it symbolizes the phenomenal Tokyo banana. That's all, guys, for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that I give you a big piece of information of what KitKat flavor you should buy when you visit Japan. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching TastewithM, and comment in the comment sections down below of what KitKat flavor do you think that I should try next time. Please show some support by hitting that subscribe button down below or right here for more upcoming videos, and also click that bell icon next to the subscribe button for notifications. And also follow me on all my social media for my daily life. It is Arirang Marco. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya, guys. It's Ichigo Tiramisu. Thank you.